Hey, good morning, treasure hunters. How's it going? Well, it's morning here. We're out here today at the same spot I was my first hunt in Oklahoma. And I found some stuff that really interested me, so I wanted to come back here and I wanted to see what else I could find. I found some M1 Gerand parts. Those are World War II weapon parts. Also some early 1800s musket balls, and not just that, but also like an 1866 Bennett primer cartridge. I think it was like a 5077 or something like that, 5070, something like that. But really neat. I actually had no primer on the back of it. The primer was built into the cartridge, so there's a lot of neat little things out here. And I'm after buttons. I want those military buttons. It is early, bright and early, and we've been having some storms out here in Oklahoma, flooding and wind, and it is just going to be a beautiful day, I would say. We might see some rain, so I got my rain suit on, I'm ready to go. So we're going to hit this area a little bit harder this time. We're going to just go ahead and just pound it today. So I'll see you out there. Yeah, so I've been digging for a little bit, found some bullets, and I just pulled this up here. Look at that. Some kind of smooth bore. Yeah, nice, huh? Big chunk of lead. I like those. Alright, that's my third one out of here. Beautiful. Let's keep on rolling. See ya. I just pulled up a nice little bullet here. Let's take and clean it up a little bit. Cannot tell what it is yet, but looks like a little ringer. Yeah, something. Not sure the age is something like that. That's pretty nice, though. Looks like it was 2 rings. It could be a little early, huh? Nice little bullet. I have to figure out what it went to. Probably some kind of pistol, maybe? Imagine. Okay, moving on. See ya. Yeah, so I'm just out tooling around, just trying to find some hot spots, you know, and tons of bullets still. There's just a lot of old military bullets, and I just pulled this up. I think this is a shard to a piece of artillery. Yeah, I don't know what era it would be from, but we could definitely figure that out. It's got the rings on it and everything. That's what that looks like to me. Piece of artillery shell of some sort. Yes, very nice. Alright, it's iron. Okay, moving on. See ya. I just got a big 88 signal way out here in the middle of this field. I'll have you dig it with me. See if it's anything interesting. Of course, things are so hard to find in this soil. Blends right in. What's that? Oh, it's just a big washer. Interesting. Off of something, huh? Has some age to it. Yep. Alright, moving on. I was hoping for something better, but hey, that's okay. Got it out of the ground, right? Moving on. See ya. I just pulled up some little relic here. Nice little iron relic. It was giving me an iron signal. Let's see what this is. Interesting. There's no telling what that was used for, huh? I don't know. Maybe like a cleaning rod for a weapon or something. Pretty much everything out here is weapon related. Interesting. And we'll save that as a little relic. Try to figure out what it is. Alright, moving on. See ya. Yeah, so I just got some iron signals over here. Loaded with iron in this little spot. And I just pulled this up. Looks like some kind of, I don't know. Looks like a, I don't know, a grenade? Or RPG end, or you know what that might be? I don't know. I don't even want to really say, but it's iron, and I have no idea. And this thing, can't really tell. It's all folded up. But this is really cool looking. I'm definitely going to keep that. I don't know what that is, or what its purpose was. It definitely has some age to it for sure. Interesting. The things we find. We'll keep it, and we'll try to figure it out. Nice. Alright, moving on. See ya. Oh yeah. Beautiful day out. We got us another nice little cavalry horseshoe. Yep, still has the nails in it and all. Nice one. Perfect. That's the front right shoe, I believe. Nice, huh? Beautiful. Moving on. See ya. And another horseshoe. Not as old, but still nice. Moving on. See ya. Yeah, looks like we may have found a button remnant of something. Possibly. Button. Maybe. Or something else. No, not a button. Some kind of little copper washer to something. It has some age to it. It has a nice patina on it. No telling. Interesting. We'll keep it if we can figure something out about it. That'll be nice. Yep, no idea. Alright, moving on. See ya. Yeah, so just working my way around this whole area. Just seeing where I can find some hot spots. And yeah, lots of bullets. A lot of M1 Gerand bullets. And here's a clip to one. Nice, nice little World War II relic right there. That's a M1 Gerand clip. Yep, cartridge clip. Holds, I believe it holds 8 rounds. Clips up inside the weapon, and bang, 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 and this pings out. Yep, nice. We'll keep that. Nice little souvenir. Moving on. Going that way. See ya. Well, we got a nice little target there. Around 70s. We'll dig that in a second. I got my buddy Mr. Story out here with me today. He's got the Technics. I think it's a T2. Looks like he found something over there. Yep, he's going down for it. So in here, this is in 1852, we had an expedition actually camp here in this area. So that's where that Bennett primerless cartridge comes from, right in here somewhere. So looking in here a little bit harder, it's very, very hard to detect. And look at the grass. Yeah, so, alright, let's see what this is. Let's get this dug. Probably just another M1 Gerand bullet. Obviously did some M1 firing in here back in the day. It has a nice tone. Of course, some of these bullets give you good tones, and some just give you zeros. Strange. I guess that has everything to do with depth, so. But these usually aren't that deep. These bullets in here. Alright, we're gonna have to sweep that. Alright, be right back at you. Yeah, I found it in there. It's a M1 bullet. Yep, there it is. M1 Gerand. Alright, moving on. Got a pocket full of these things. Alright, see ya. Yep, there it goes. Now tell me why you have 2 screw holes and they have one little screw holding this thing on so it can break right off. Second MX Sport, second time this has happened. Makes no sense. Makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. Ineffective now, cannot use it. Garbage. Moving on. Well, we got it fixed up again. Put some zip ties. It's very, very sad. I mean, you got 3 holes down there and they only used 1. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Should be ashamed of yourself, whites. Yeah, well, that didn't hold long. Good grief. I just don't understand why you got 3 holes tapped and they only use 1. I just don't understand. Makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. And I'm out of ties. I don't know if I'm going to be able to stretch this back to be able to use it. I could probably tap it into that one. Good grief. I might have to make a washer. I think I might have found something that I could use as a washer. So I can put the screw in that hole at least. I think they were thinking this is adjustable. You can adjust it. But Jesus, man. Put more than 1 freaking screw in it. Good grief. Well, that's it for me. Dead in the water again with the MX Sport. You know, I've had quite a few machines. Never have I ever been dead in the water out in the field with another metal detector besides the White's MX Sport. Shame on you, Whites. Shame on you. Good grief. Let's go see what Mr. Story's up to. See if he's finding anything. There he is, way over there. Such beautiful country out here. It's so hard to detect in here though. We're gonna have to wait until winter to really hit this place. And we'll do that. Yep. Alright, see ya. Mush bullet. Super mushed.